In this video, I'm going to show you another easy upgrade that you can make to make your basement home theater look so much better. So we've got the silver ticket screen up, we've painted the wall black, we even recently got a new couch, which is super comfortable. But this ottoman definitely needs to go. As you can see with the fabric material, it just shows every stain. You spill a little bit of water on it, and it just looks awful. So online at Walmart, we got this coffee table by My Texas House. It's the Haven coffee table, and it's 40 inches by 40 inches. And so in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set it up and what a big of an upgrade it can make to your basement home theater. Let's jump right in. All right, so I got everything unboxed here. As you can see, there's not many pieces here, which is great. I love a good, easy DIY project. So let's throw this together and see how it looks. All right, as you can see, the table goes together really easily here. We're just going to put these the last two on. We're going to be all set. All right, so we're all done. That was a quick, easy setup. They did have an extra bolt and a couple washers left over. I guess it's always good in case you lose any in the process. So let's move the ottoman, get this in place, and see the final result. All right, so here's the final result. The table looks really, really good. So much nicer than that old ottoman. The wood is, really strong and thick, very durable, high quality. You can put, maybe a blanket or some other decorations down there, but this table is 40 inches by 40 inches, really fits the space well. Really good upgrade for basement home theater. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for other videos that make home life better.